Hi guys, welcome to another video. These are my retro pickups from charity shops in the last couple of weeks. So as you can see here, I've got two Walkmans. This one's made by Goodman's. It's a GCD 504RB. Works brilliantly, got a lovely sound. Bulky though, very, very bulky. And I also got this CD Walkman by Sony. This one's a lot lighter and a lot more compact. You get the size comparison there. This took quite a lot of work to get it running again because it had, when I bought it, someone had put the batteries in backwards, so they exploded. Still see a little residue here. The two terminals this end were caped in battery stuff and rust where it had been left for a while. Yeah, cleaned all that up. It does all work. Got a really nice sound. I like this shiny blue thing as well. Shiny blue bit at the front here. Gives it a bit of character. This is a DE200. That's them. And then I've got this Casio Illuminator in red. I only paid £2 for this at a charity shop. I think it's like 2000s, 90s, like late 90s. Just go back to this quickly. I paid £4 for this one and £10 for this one. This, I had to polish the face. Just see a few little scratches on there. So better than it was. And then in the same charity shop, I got the Sony Walkman CD. I got cassette Walkman. This is brilliant. I had one of these when I was younger. I got this for £10 as well. It's supposed to be 25 for this and this, but because this needed work, just let me have it for 20. Different charity shop. This is 50p. Bit of Cypress Hill. Great songs in there. Insane in the Brain is just. Then hit these up for 50p each. Guns N' Roses Usual Illusion 1 and 2. Some Roy Orbison. Quite pleased today. This was from a couple of weeks ago. This, and this were from today, and these were from last week. Also, the Walkman came with a pair of old Panasonic earphones. Missing the foam bits. We're gonna be on the lookout for these. These are really nice sounding. So yeah, not a bad haul. Do like my vintage tech. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next one.